In this tutorial, you'll learn how to split a PDF file without installing any software. Many people think they need expensive PDF editing programs or online tools to separate pages from a PDF. The good news is that there's a much easier way. You can do it directly in your web browser for free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. This can be your default browser or Google Chrome. Now simply drag and drop your PDF file into the browser window. The PDF will open instantly. At the top of the screen, you'll see the total number of pages in the document. Take a moment to identify the pages you want to extract into a separate PDF. Next, click the print icon. Don't worry, we're not going to print the document. Instead, we'll use the browser's built-in print to PDF feature to create a new PDF containing only the pages we need. When the print dialog box appears, find the Pages option and change it from all to custom. This allows you to choose exactly which pages you want to save. Let me show you how it works. If you only need a single page, for example page 22, simply type 22. Now click Save. Choose a location on your computer, name the file 22, and click Save again. Your new PDF containing only page 22 has now been created. Let's look at another example. If you want a continuous range of pages, such as pages 22 through 25, enter 22 to 25. Click Save, choose a file name, and save the document. The new PDF will include only pages 22 to 25. Now suppose you need multiple page selections. For example, if you want pages 15 to 19 along with page 22, simply enter 15-19, 22. The browser will extract all of those pages into a single PDF. You can even combine multiple page ranges and individual pages. For example, if you want pages 13 to 15, page 22, and pages 25 to 30, enter 13-15, 22, 25-30. This flexible page selection lets you extract exactly the pages you need without creating multiple PDF files. Once you've entered the page numbers, click Save. Choose the folder where you want to store the file, enter a file name, and click Save again. Within a few seconds, your new PDF will be created. Let's open the newly created PDF to verify the result. As you can see, it contains only the pages we selected, while the original PDF remains unchanged. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to split a PDF. Since everything happens inside your browser, there's no need to install additional software or upload confidential documents to online services.